In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I review the performance of my videos as well as my clients' videos so that we can deliver what the audience actually wants more of. We are focused on the engagement metrics and you getting more clients rather than virality. I'm going to walk you through that spreadsheet now and exactly what we look at and how we go through this process. Okay, so here's how you're going to use the tool to audit your reels. You're going to play them back after you've posted them, back to make sure you've got all the elements of a good video that really connects with the audience. The connection sentence, the relatability, the turning, the impact of the moment, the learning, and then the transformation. If we play this back and listen.
Here, you and I got deep really quick.
Well, yeah. Okay, so that's the first sentence. So that's the connection sentence, speaking to some type of vulnerability, insecurity, and a specific story. Yeah,
but I love that because
why waste my time? So the fear in this particular scenario is, yeah, why waste your time dating someone if you're not going to be aligned?
By you asking me pretty detailed, in-depth questions very early on.
That's the example sentence there with the relatability.
Number one, it got me comfortable.
Okay, this is where it's the turning point.
Kind of got me out of my shell. Of like saying, okay, it's safe to like kind of talk about this stuff and be a bit vulnerable. So you gave me that open gate safety to do that. And you didn't judge, which a lot of people, that's why people won't do it or guys won't do it.
An example provided is how men struggle to open up and be vulnerable. So that's the transformation of the learning, is by you asking the detailed questions and you leaning in, then they feel comfortable to do the same. So this is a good example, and this one performed well because it was specific, it was relatable, you have a key takeaway at the end, and it got right into the message of the story instead of kind of delaying that or saying, this is how you open up. Like, that doesn't work anymore. You just got to get right into the story. So you can use this and you can go through all of your old content, and then you can even restructure it to have it perform better. So as you listen through more videos, you may find, ooh, I have way too many sentences in this video. I don't need all of this because I can get the same message out there with including these 3 sentences. So just re-edit it and then post it, and then track the performance of it that way. If you want access to this tool, then comment create below and I will send this right over to you so that you can start using on your content right now. You can repurpose, you can repost, and track the performance. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one.